Okay, my bench is a total disaster, but here's what I've been up to. As I mentioned before, I wanted to be able to also run these meters in DC. So I have now completed that. I went to my local Radio Shack, picked up a 9-volt power supply, and I have wired it into the battery input on the 2 meters, and I've split my wires, and you really need real thin wire, so I had to do another splice here. So anyway, one other thing you'll have to do this is this S1 is a switch. You need to solder this together because it's open, so that closes it. And when we plug it in, we have action. So it tells you that there's 9 volts on here, but when you apply another voltage to the unit, if I can get a good connection here, see how it went 4.9 up 5163. The battery's junk, I know it is. And then it'll work either polarity, just like the instructions say. So we are now ready to mount it, finally, after getting this hooked up. So what I'm going to do, originally I was going to put a switch on the control panel. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to leave this unplugged because the DCC will power it anyway. Oh, that's the other thing. When it's DC power, both the LEDs come on. When it's DCC, you just see the green light. So if I run in DC mode and I want the meters, I'll just plug in the power pack over there, or actually it'll be on the layout. I'll just plug it in and that'll be that. Anyway, so now I'm going to mount them.